Hello and welcome back to Learn English IL, and today's lesson is possessive adjectives. So, welcome. But before to start the course, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell of notifications so as you will get any new video I upload to my channel, and never forget to comment, which means to give me your opinions and your views and to tell me suggestions about the channel, and never forget to share the video with all the people you know, and never forget also to like the video. That's very kind of you, and let's start the course. Thank you so much. Well, the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its. They are for singular, and there is a plural in which we say our, your, their. This is a plural. And what are the possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are about anything that we own, we possess. You have a possession. For example, you say, it is my book. It is my book. It is my book. It is his book. It is his book. So it is his. He owns this book. It is her book. It is her book. She owns this book, so it is hers. It is her book. It is its. It is its wings. For example, for the bird, it is its wings, the wings of a bird. So this is for or about the singular. And about the plural, the examples, we say, it is our classroom. It is our classroom. So this is our classroom. And we can say also, it is your. It is your. It is your table. It is your table. It is your table. It's a table that you possess. You are maybe 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, and you possess something. It's your possession. It's your possession. You own this table. It is there. It is there. It is there. It is their house. It is their house. It is their house. They own this house. It's their property. It's their possession. They possess this house. It's theirs. So you say, it is their house. It is their house. You cannot say it is they house. So this is the course of today, which is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. And the next course, which is gonna be about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. So thank you for watching, and never forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell of notification so as you will get any new video I upload in my channel. And then never forget to share the video with the people so as to benefit from, and never forget to like the video and to comment. tell me about your opinions and about your views about the channel. Thank you so much and see you as soon as possible.